Hey GTA! Welcome back to LSV Weekly, your go-to weekly guide to living smart, stylish, and ahead of the curve. Today's lineup: a plant-powered dish you'll want on repeat, a reality check on viral design trends, and the wellness reset taking over kitchens across the GTA. Let's jump in. First up, a smart bite that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. The vegan Buddha bowl, a colorful mix of grains, greens, and roasted veggies, is proof that healthy eating can still feel indulgent.
I'm using quinoa because it's a grain, it's delicious. You can use any grain, you can use any grain. Like, think of any grain in the world that you like, just use that. So I've got quinoa in there. I've got some vegetables that I've just cooked. They're just roasted. I've got red onion and mushroom. This is such a great dish to make when you have leftovers. I've got soy beef. It's what I think of as the protein in the dish, but I've also got leftover mashed chickpeas from something else I was making. So, you know, use whatever you want, but who doesn't love a little extra protein, right? My favorite thing to put in something like this is this holy little trio: avocado, pickle, and onion. I know it sounds really simple, but I put it in everything I can.
Want the full step-by-step recipe? It's streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. Next, it's time for Decoded, where we separate design fact from digital fiction. This week, the infinity pool making waves online, luxury flex, or an AI glitch.
It's now time for a round we call the AI Glitch Challenge, the toughest round yet. Your final selection is AI Oddities. AI once designed a futuristic home with an infinity pool that loops in a full circle, allowing swimmers to swim endlessly without turning. Real or AI glitch? The answer is an AI glitch. While infinity pools exist, a perfectly looped one is impossible due to water flow physics. But AI doesn't know that.
Catch the full breakdown and test your eye against AI in our latest Decoded, now streaming at lifestylevideos.com. Finally, let's talk wellness. Juice Cleanses. Once a spa trend, now a home kitchen staple, they're helping GTA homeowners reset with energy boosts, mindful eating, and a fresh approach to health.
So a juice cleanse is traditionally where somebody might abstain completely from eating any solid food and strictly do fresh pressed fruit and vegetable juices. Why do they do it? Well, over the course of our lifetime, all the solid food that we consume can get held up in the digestive system, and all little pockets in our intestinal tract can get clogged with excessive waste. So when you take a juice cleanse or completely liquid break, your body can start to take some of that stuff out and get rid of it for good, which can have huge health benefits. For example, too much accumulated impacted waste can actually cause colon cancer. It can also cause excessive weight in the body. That's one reason. The other is to help the liver get a bit of a break. It's our main processing point for getting rid of toxins in the body. So you're helping them to eliminate and to detoxify.
Explore the full guide to home juice cleanses, streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. And that's this week's LSV Weekly, your smarter living playbook. From smart bites to design insights and health resets, we've got your week covered. Subscribe, share, and catch every episode at lifestylevideos.com because smarter living starts here every week.